Robo skeske. If no be you, then tell me who. Them go sempe, them go sempe. Nobody messing with my crew. Robo skeske, robo.
So I'll start by doing my eyebrows. I'll be brushing it up with this spoolie and I'm filling it in with the MUA pencil in black brown. Then I'll conceal with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Then I would blend out the concealer with my Real Techniques dupe brush. Yeah. And then I'll set my eyes with the Skin Matte powder, translucent powder from MUA. And then I'll go back to conceal my eyelids. I have quite oily eyelids, so that's why I like to mattify first. Then I blend out the concealer, then I blend it out further more. Then I use my Lorac collection 120 colors eyeshadow palette to do this look. Then I'll take my Makeup Revolution After Party palette as my transition shade. Then I take the blue one. Then I just put it on my lid. As you guys can see, like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. I put it like a quarter way. Yeah, and then I take a deeper blue to like give this ombre effect on my eyes. Then I check myself out in the mirror. Then I go back with my transition color to clean up the blue shade. I'm so bad at voiceovers. Then I take the black in the same palette to just finish the ombre look I was going for. So yeah, that's what I did. I was inspired by the shirt I'm wearing. Then I take the gold and I add it in my inner tear duct to make it pop. Then I go in with my Flawless Original Primer by Barry M, and then I mix it with the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. Then I just apply that all over my face because your girl is oily. With the oils on my face, you can fry plantain, like no jokes. So I go back with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up the eyeshadow and to also apply it under my eyes. I'm trying this new technique where I just apply everything at once, like my concealer, my foundation, everything at once, as you guys will see in the video. Yeah, then I use this, what's it called again? The Black Opal True Color Foundation in Carob to just make sure the concealer is not too harsh. Then I contour my face to get this chiseled face, to get the chiseled face. Then yeah, come on, don't waste my time. Then I use the Infallible Total Cover. I mix it with the shade I used to contour. That is the True Match, L'Oreal True Match in the shade Espresso, and the foundation is in the shade Cappuccino. That's the coffee shades. So I just apply the foundation mix where I didn't put contour or concealer. Shakia now. Yeah, then I blend out the concealer first. I blend out the concealer. Everywhere I put concealer, then I go into blending the contour. Okay, sneeze time. Achoo! Then I spray my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray to blend out the foundation and the contour and the concealer together to give me this flawless look. Yeah, then I just blend out everything, like blends. Blending is the key to this method. Yeah, then ta-da, that's it. Okay. Then I go back in with my translucent powder to set under my eyes. Basically everywhere I put concealer. Yeah, quick, chop. I don't have the whole day. Yeah, then I go in with my foundation brush to kind of add and dust off at the same time. So yeah. What are you doing, Esther? Yeah, then I dust off all the powder. Yeah. And then I use the contour brush to contour my nose, and I didn't add any more product. I just used the remainder to then highlighting. I used the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock on Wall to highlight. This is bomb. And the MUA Undress Your Skin highlighter in gold. I just layered them together because they give the flawless, not flawless, flawless. So amazing. Okay, you dance too much, man. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Then I go with my ratchet ass powder to just set my face, even if there's barely anything in there. Wow, so vain. Oh my god. Then I use I think it's Makeup Revolution, my Sign lipstick in Leo, and then this random red lipstick I got from Poundland. Then I mix them together. Then I wipe it off because it doesn't go with the look, so I just wiped it down to give it a more natural look. And yeah, that's like, then I set my face. Oh Lord Jesus. I set my face with that, and yeah, it couldn't tell me nothing. Then my eBay, what's it called again? Mascara. And I use that to also set my brows to keep them in place, even though I'm not going anywhere. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's the finished look.
Tell me who, them go sempe, them go sempe.